Now we are going to discuss about artificial kidney or dialysis, the process of dialysis. What is the use of artificial kidney or dialyzer machine? For example, in human being body, if two kidneys are failure in their body, what is the main functions of kidney? Kidney is useful for filtration, and second one is reabsorption of nutrients. What it filters? The kidney generally, natural kidney, it filters the wastages. Wastages means what? Whatever nitrogen wastages and poisonous materials it is sending outside the body with the process of excretion. If two kidneys are failure, that whatever the two kidneys are failure, what happened? How blood is filtered? But other organ is if one kidney is failure, other kidney is useful for filtration. But if two kidneys are failure for so many diseases, the cause of diabetes, maybe hypertension, whatever is it, diseases and other diseases also, kidney failure. If two kidneys are failure, in their body accumulates, what it accumulates? It gathered and accumulates nitrogen wastages or poisonous are gather in their body, it cause of death. So that need to remove excretory material, need to remove waste material, need to remove poisonous material, urea, creatinine, whatever, extra salts, everything need to send outside the body. If kidneys are not there, what we have to use? As clinical method, we are using artificial kidneys. Artificial kidney is nothing but we can call dialyzer machine. That is, we can call dialyzer machine. In this machine, how it is useful? In this machine, it is useful for filtration of blood, so that it is called hemodialysis. Okay? By using artificial kidney, by using dialyzer machine to purify the blood, the process of purification of blood is called hemodialysis. Okay, that process is called dialysis or hemodialysis. Okay, this is artificial kidney. If you observe the artificial kidney, first of all, they brings the blood from main artery, so that I will give the arrow symbol like that. Okay, they brings the blood from main artery to dialyzer machine. Okay, so the blood is coming from main artery. This is what main artery. Okay, blood is coming from main artery. It is passing through with what? Membranes or channels. In this membrane, very important, blood is passing with what? One channel, and other channel, it is what? It is dialyzer fluid is located. What is the meaning of channel? That means what? Membranous tubules. In membranous tubules, if you observe it there, one tubule blood is passing, blood is moving, another tubule dialyzer fluid is moving. There are passing opposite directions. In one tubule, blood is passing in tubules, channels. In another tubule, what? Dialyzer fluid is moving. What happened when the fresh dialyzer fluid is moving in opposite direction? Generally, what is the difference between dialyzer and blood? Dialyzer fluid do not contains any type of nitrogenous wastages. It is a plasma-like substance, just water-like substance, dialyzer fluid. But in blood, it contains more urea and proteins and creatinine and some other nitrogen wastages also. So that what will happen when they are moving in opposite directions? What are they? One is, one tubule blood is moving and another tubule dialyzer fluid is moving. When these fluids are moving in opposite direction, the nitrogen wastages are enter into the dialyzer fluid. From blood to dialyzer fluid. The process of diffusion. So that what will be happen? The nitrogen wastages are enter into the dialyzer fluid and the remaining blood again sending into the body with veins. Okay, try to understand the concept of what dialysis. Very easy process. In the process of dialysis, they are using a clinical apparatus, that is we can call dialyzer machine. In that dialyzer machine, we are observed what lot of tubules is there. In that tubules, dialyzer fluid is there. Generally, what will be happen in hospital? They bring the blood from main artery to one another channel, one another tube. In that another tubes, blood is passing in another tube, and dialyzer fluid is passing in opposite direction or reversely. What will be happen? Whatever nitrogen wastages are enter into the dialyzer fluid. That dialyzer fluid separated in another body. That means it separates. Which separates? Whatever wastages, nitrogen wastages contains in blood, it is separated the dialyzer fluid and it purify the blood. Why? Because the nitrogen substances, urea, creatinine, extra salts, so that I will write here, extra salts enter into the dialyzer fluid. Enter into the dialyzer fluid. So that what will be happen? Blood is purified. What happened? That whatever purified blood again sending into the body. So that I will keep the arrow symbol like this. This one is a hand. Okay. They brings the blood from main artery. They are sending the blood with veins into the body after purification. One important question about what dialyzer machine. Dialyzer machine, this artificial kidney, artificial kidney only useful for filtration of blood only. Filtration of blood only. It is not useful for reabsorption of nutrients. Reabsorption of nutrients. Only it is useful for filtration of wastages, separation of nitrogen wastages into dialyzer fluid, blood to dialyzer fluid. Only that is useful, but it is not useful for reabsorption of nutrients. Reabsorption of nutrients. That is the importance of dialyzer fluid. Okay. If whose body two kidneys are failure, this artificial kidney is useful for filtration of blood. Now we are going to discuss about what disorders of excretory system, disorders of kidneys. If what will be happen? The one disorder is what? Uremia. That name is what? Disease name is uremia. The urea concentration is increased in blood. What will be happen? It is cause of kidney failures. Kidney failures. Sometimes what will happen? The uremia means what? Urea, percentage of urea is increased. Why? Because the percentage of urea is increased in our body means what? Kidneys are, if kidneys are not functioning properly, kidney stones or any reason, what will be happen? This urea is accumulates in blood, stores in blood. So that this is the reason of kidney failure. It is a cause of kidney failures. And also renal failures. If two kidneys are failures, sometimes what will be renal means what? The renal kidneys are failures. What will be happen? Okay, so that the need what? Dialysis machine is needed. If renal failures, it cause of what? Accumulation of waste products and poisonous material in our body. So that what will happen? Kidney transplantation is needed. What is the meaning of kidney transplantation? Replace the kidney. Donor is required. Who donate? Donor means what? Who donate the kidney? Generally, in relatives are especially for they're donating their kidney. One kidney is enough to functioning, enough for filtration. Approximately 60 to 70 years, based on their health condition. But donor is required for kidney transplantation. What is the meaning of transplantation? Replace the kidney. If two kidneys are failure in their body, what will be happen? And whatever wastages and nitrogen wastages and poisonous materials are accumulated cause of death. So that what they have to do? They have to replace. Okay, separate the kidney, whatever failure kidney need to remove and replace in that place in another kidney. That is we can call kidney transplantation. Donors are required to donate what? Kidneys. Generally, relatives, family, mother or father, who somebody is they are donating their kidneys. Okay, and nowadays the kidney failures are common. Okay, next one, organ donation. What is the meaning of organ donation? Okay, organ donate means what? Donate. Okay, who are, for example, who are in coma, suddenly they met some accident. Any person is met this accident. In their body, organs are what? Functioning. They are in coma. That means they have to donate their organs to others. That means it is useful for, it gives that whatever organs, like organ donation, what are the organs generally donates? Heart, liver, kidneys, and so many organs also. Eyes, very important. Eyes. Like that, so many organs are donated. It is useful for, it gives life to others whose organs are failure, whose organs are not functioning proper way. This organ donation is used, it gives life, another life to them. It gives life, so that organ donation is very important. Okay, for example, after death, whatever organ is there, that is not useful for anything, it is dissolved in soil. So that what will be happen? We have to do organ donation. What is the meaning of organ donation? We have to donate organs after death, not when we are alive. After death, we have to donate our organs. These organs, like these organs, that is gives lives to another who are having what, do not have that these organs or any diseases, they suffer with any diseases. Okay, that is organ donation also very important. Okay, nowadays. Now